The U.S. Diversity Visa Lottery DV-2027 is officially open this October 2025. This program gives people from eligible countries a chance to win a U.S. green card and live, work, or study in America. Here are the key updates you should know before applying. For the first time in history, applicants must now pay a small $1 non-refundable registration fee when submitting their entry. This fee was introduced to help the U.S. cover system upgrades, fight fraud, and manage the 25+ million entries submitted every year. The application timeline: it opens in early October 2025, closes early November 2025, exact dates to be announced soon, and results will be released in May 2026 via the official entrant status check portal. What you'll need to apply: number 1, personal details. This includes name, birth date, marital status, etc. Number 2, a valid passport if required. Number 3, a recent digital photo that meets US visa standards. And number 4, spouse and children details if applicable. So how to apply? Only apply at the official government site, dvprogram.state.gov. Fill out the online form DS5501. Pay the $1 fee through the secure portal. Submit and keep your confirmation number safe. When applying, avoid the following mistakes. Number 1, submitting more than one entry might lead to instant disqualification. Using fake websites or agents promising guaranteed selection. Uploading photos that do not meet the US specifications, and losing your confirmation number. How do you know you have been selected? Winners will need to pay the standard $330 visa application fee, complete further forms, and attend an interview at the US Embassy. Having a high school education or equivalent or 2 years of qualifying work experience is also required. An important reminder: the US government never sends emails or letters saying you won. The only way to know your status is by checking the official entrance status portal with your confirmation number in May 2026. The DV lottery is a life-changing opportunity for thousands of families each year. Apply early, apply correctly, and beware of scams.